Hey there, Joyce here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get rid of the subscriptions of Amazon. Okay, right now you can see that I am on Amazon.ca. Now I'm gonna go to my subscriptions. So you go here on the menu and then go to memberships and subscriptions. Click on that. And here you can see that I have Amazon Prime and Citytv. So I just don't want these anymore. And I don't want to be charged on the next 24. Okay, so I am going to cancel the subscription. And sometimes you can get like an offer or a discount when you decide to cancel. I'm not sure if these will pop up. Let's click on cancel and see what happens. We have some options for you. Remind me 3 days before the renewal. Turn off auto renew and watch until January 24th and keep current subscription. I'm gonna say turn off renew and watch until 24. It's asking me your subscription to Citytv will not be renewed. Okay, please tell us why you cancel. I will say too expensive. Okay, and that's it. It will end on January 24th. This time they didn't suggest or give me a better price. So this is how you just canceled, and it was good, not too difficult.